Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today we found a car which is 2025 Formula Leopard Ti7. Today we will use K518 PRO to add a new key for this car. Next, we will use K518 PRO, OBD communication cable, and original car key for this car, and a new smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Now let's proceed the operation.
The first step is to choose Generate Smart Key. Find BYD. Find Formula Leopard. Select Ti7. Put our key in the card slot. Click Generation. OK. Generated successfully. OK. Return to main menu. Now, remove the cross-domain platform box below the steering wheel to read the password. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Select BYD, Smart Key, Formula Leopard Series. Select Ti7. After 2025, we choose to program Smart Key. Number 1. This function requires an internet connection. Number 2. Key not programmed in the process will become invalid. Number 3. You can program up to 4 keys. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. Turn on 2 flashing lights. Click OK. Method 3. OK. EEPROM data read successful. Save to device and click OK. Current key count to OK. Select the first file. OK. Put the first key to be programmed in the sensing area. Click OK after clicking Done. Program complete. Program the second one and click OK. Put the second key to be programmed in the sensing area. Click OK after placement is complete. Program success. No need to program. Click Cancel. Programming complete. Successfully programmed Smart Key Count 2. Now, let's try it. Can the key start the vehicle normally? Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The original car key started successfully. The new key hits the brake. Press the start button. The new key started successfully.
Now we test the remote control. The original car key, lock, unlock, new key, lock, unlock. The remote function is normal. We have programmed a smart key for this car successfully. That's so easy. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.